Hi guys, this is Lukasana and you are watching Dolorix Noodles. So today we are going to do the third episode of Tech Bunchies, not related to PlayStation 5. Yes, this episode of Tech Bunchies is not related to PlayStation 5 at all. This is a normal Tech Bunchies episode in which basically we are going to talk about 3 amazing titles. 1, 2 and 3. First is Grand Theft Auto 6 by Rockstar Games and Rockstar North. Second is Hitman 3 by IO Integrated IOI basically. I don't know that much about that system who had made that game. And yes, the third game is of course the Marvel Avengers. So basically we are going to talk about these 3 games in a brief manner because these 3 are amazing games. So basically this is what we are going to discuss about in this video, and I hope that this video will make you happy, will make you excited about when you hear these news properly. So without further ado, let's begin this third part of Tech Bunchies related to PlayStation. No, not related to PlayStation 5. Just Tech Bunchies. So guys, firstly we will talk about Grand Theft Auto 6 or GTA 6 in abbreviations, as this series is famously known worldwide as. So basically GTA 6 or Grand Theft Auto 6 is anticipated to be launched by 2021 January, February or March. These 3 months are the most anticipated months, as in these months only the Grand Theft Auto 6, the legendary title of the legendary series Grand Theft Auto, will come. Rockstar has not said anything. Yes, and even some news which I don't know is fake or real is coming out that yes, PlayStation and Rockstar having a deal between both of them, $70 million deal. Yes, $70 million is a very huge amount. A $70 million deal to make Grand Theft Auto 6 a time exclusive, which means for some time it will only come on the next gen console by Sony, the PlayStation 5 only. So, or I suppose on PlayStation 4 even, but yes, for some time on PlayStation only this thing will come, which means a time exclusive on PlayStation. For that only they are giving $750 million to Rockstar Games. So let's see if this thing really comes true. And for the PlayStation owners, this thing is really good. For the PC and Xbox people, this thing is quite bad. They have to wait till this time period of the time exclusive on coming on PlayStation gets over. So that was the first news. Yes, PlayStation. Now I want to talk that PlayStation really is making many things personalized, like in the upcoming amazing game Marvel Avengers. That the Spider-Man character was even being developed by Square Enix Montreal, an amazing game developer worldwide known. So they are making their amazing game Marvel Avengers, as many of you know or don't know. We will talk about that in this video. So they are the Spider-Man as character which were coming in 2021. Now on all the 3 platforms, PC, Xbox and PC. Now no, not the third one is PC, PlayStation. So basically now what is happening is that PlayStation made a deal with Square Enix that I don't know how many $1 million, like million only of course. So how much money it is. So they made a deal that they will give by making this deal with Square Enix, they have bought all the rights of Spider-Man. Every character has a right, every game has a right. So they have bought the rights of Spider-Man from Square Enix, and now this thing means that the Spider-Man will only come on the PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4, which means basically the PlayStation family only, and not on any other console, which is even a very bad thing. But yes, nowadays PlayStation is making these all things personalized. So if you are PlayStation owner, then you are very lucky because of these things. And if your friends don't have PlayStation, then you can say them that yes, you don't have PlayStation, and yes, that's why you are suffering with this thing. But if you are not, then you will suffer on your own only. So basically that is not a very good thing, because everybody doesn't has a PlayStation, so they should not do it like that. But they are doing it, of course, for increasing their sales, which are going too much down because of all the mess which is going on all around the world nowadays. So that's why only they are trying to do this thing. So basically, if you have PlayStation 1, as I already told you many times, it is good. If not, then not good for you. Okay, basically now let's talk about our second topic, the legendary game Hitman series game Hitman 3, which is also being anticipated to be launched by 2021. Not anticipated, basically. This has the company which developed this game, the IO Interactive. I was misspelling it before in the starting of this video. The IO Interactive has said that yes, this confirmed it, that yes, it will be confirmed launch in 2021. So basically here you can see all the information provided by Wikipedia to us. You can open it up on your own and see. The developers are IO Interactive, publishers even them, director this, designers this, writer this. The best thing is the most important thing is the platform. Microsoft Windows, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, and Stadia, Google Stadia. So this game will come on these all platforms. You can pause the video for seeing which are all the platforms closely, or you can even open it up in the Wikipedia, as I've already told you guys. I forgot to show you what information I had collected based on the GTA 6. So let's see that only also. Then after that we will come to our third and the last topic to discuss. It is the Marvel Avengers, of course, the most amazing game of these all. So first let's go to what the information I have collected related to Grand Theft Auto 6. Here I have collected this information from pcgames.in. GTA 6 released. All the details released on the next Grand Theft Auto. The previous Grand Theft Auto game was almost inconsistently massive and entertaining. No wonder we are so desperate for the GTA 6 release. Then the game sales and all that. You can just read it on blah blah blah. So much of it. So it will take so much time if we read all that. So you can pause the video, as I've already told you before also. And yes, of course, read it closely. Here's the GTA 6 release date. When is GTA 6 coming out? If the series with no E3 2020 and Rockstar not listed among the publishers showcasing new games at the summer fest, there is still absolutely no indication of when we shall hear more about the next GTA title either. We do know, and this all you can even read this through this full. You can read this by again pausing the video, as I've already told. So basically E3 is a very big event where all the latest and most amazing game developers like Ubisoft, Square Enix Montreal, W Games Montreal, and Rockstar Games, of course, and Electronic Arts, all these show up latest titles, which means like Rockstar will show up if E3 was held. Rockstar participates always in E3. Always every year annually this show is held. I don't know, I like it in the November-December period only. So basically Rockstar would have hosted its GTA 6, Ubisoft, its Assassin's Creed Valhalla, and all that. So basically this time, because of all the mess I have already told you is going around the world right now currently, that's why E3 is also not held this year. This is really a bad thing. So that's why only we did not have any official information from Rockstar that something named as GTA 6 of Grand Theft Auto 6 is launching. So that is all the information which I had collected related to GTA 6. And yes, if the GTA 6 would come, somebody has made a post cover. If you want to see, you can see this. Let's see, like the cover page or the cover of the game would look like this: Grand Theft Auto 6. But it is joking, because it is a 5, we also know. So yes, it is just a joke. It is all the GTA 6 use. No can pause it as I already told you previously in the video, and just read it all. GTA 6 also has many humors, so they are also here. You can read this too, this too, this too, this all. They are relating the GTA 5 story to GTA 6. Now this is just humorous. So let's move on to our third title, which is the Avengers, the most amazing of these all, of them all. So here's I have collected this information from Wikipedia. I've got this from Studio. And yes, as Hitman 3 also, the developer of this game, which is the Crystal Dynamics, the publisher Square Enix, they have confirmed that when this thing is coming. And yes, this is coming in 2020 only, this year, on November to December period. Basically November to December. Basically this thing is launching on 4th September 2020. Yeah, sorry for that, I told you November to December. It's 4th September 2020. So see, on Xbox, PlayStation 4, Microsoft Windows, and Google Stadia, the newest game console. So that is really amazing. And yes, this thing will even have a collector's edition, which will be known as Marvel Avengers Earth's Mightiest Collector's Edition. This edition will contain the all the 3 copies of the most amazing platforms, which is the Xbox One, PlayStation 4, and PC. So if you are deciding to buy some amazing stuff related to gaming, and yes, you are a Marvel fan, you can buy this Marvel Avengers Earth's Mightiest Edition. I will. If you will, then please tell me about it in the comment section. Yes. So of course an unboxing video of this thing will also come, and yes, I'm very excited really to buy this copy of this thing. So I will for sure, I think, pre-order this thing. Yes, I think I will pre-order. I will make a dedicated video on whether you should buy Avengers or Cyberpunk 2077, both which one of them. This video will very soon come on my channel. So you could be able to watch that video, and there you could see that which game is more amazing, Cyberpunk 2077 or Avengers. But basically Cyberpunk 2077 is not a topic of our discussion. So basically let's talk about Avengers. So it is an action adventure video game developed by Crystal Dynamics and published by Square Enix, already told, based on the Marvel comics, the Avengers and all that. So my Marvel games are from the recent times. Marvel games are even very good. Before the DC was only good in the comics, games, and movies, but now Marvel with comics and movies is also even amazing in games, because in 2018 their amazing game, which was also being recognized as the game of the year by Engadget and IGN, it was given that position by IGN and Engadget, was their Marvel Spider-Man. Yes, Marvel Spider-Man. So basically that was really an amazing game. So like that only, this one is even really amazing. So here's all the updates. Yes, even Marvel Avengers has having a beta. You could access that beta from 9 o'clock on 21st August, which is the current time only. 9 o'clock 21st August till 23rd August 9 o'clock, which means 2 full days. Yes guys, you would get 48 hours of free beta if you are not willing to buy this game. Then because basically you're not thought like you are thinking that this game would not be good, and for you only this thing is made that here you could have 2 days of free trial of this game, and then you can make your decision easily that is this game amazing for you or not. If yes, you can buy it from for sure. If not, then don't buy it. And yes, I will leave the links of where to buy from the this amazing Marvel Avengers game if you do want to buy it. So with that said, that was all for this Tech Bunches related to PlayStation 5 video. All the video would be very long, so I don't want it to be elongated. That's why I am ending the video. And yes, because so that is the 3 main topics: Avengers, Hitman 3, and GTA 6, which are the most trending topics nowadays. And I thought I should share this information with you guys. That's why I made this video. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, then please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. And yes, for sure, click on the notification bell icon so as you get the latest updates whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Thanks for watching this video. As always, bye bye, and as always, take care even. So, this is Prolorix.